Alright, today 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. We're doing the alternator, which is right there. But I don't think we're getting it out of there. Some days it's sweet, and some days shit look like this, man. Damn. People say, damn. I think there's your alternator stuffed all the way down there. Alright, y'all, so we got the old alternator out. Finally got the new one in. Now what we're doing is we're tightening up the hardware and the bolts. And as you can see, you see where I'm at with it. I'm in between the frame, which is there, and the radiator and the condenser, which is here. Just to get an alternator put in, you gotta love it, I'm telling you. You gotta love it, baby, you gotta love it. We servicing everywhere, DC, Maryland, Virginia, Atlanta area you don't see me in. Alright, y'all. Got that top bolt nice and snugged up, as you can see. Alright, y'all, bringing y'all back. Alright, so we got the alternator in there now. Just placed the serpentine belt on. Back my head up out of here. Shit. As you can see, we got some mess up here. But next, we're going to put all these plastic pieces back, get the bumper back in, get that back in. And yeah, moving right along. Yep. As you see how it's going back in, y'all. See how it's going back in. It's amazing, right? How they build certain cars to do this dumb shit. It's amazing. But you just gotta shimmy your way. How you doing? Just gotta shimmy your way down in here. And you will be where you need to be. Just take your time. Just take your time with it. There you go. Take that time. Walk it right on down like that. And you would just make sure those tabs are back in, locked in place. Another one on this side. Alright, so they are locked in. Now you take these screws here and you put these back in here to keep the fan up against the radiator. Alright, y'all, put the bumper back on now, y'all. So when you put this bumper on, you gotta make sure you line everything up. See that? And you hear that pop. You know you got her ass when you hear that pop, pop. Heard that pop? So you know you got her ass. That pop. Alright, now next step. Got a couple push pins, couple 10 mils. Gotta go back in. Got this 10 milli right here. It goes right back up in here. I don't know if you all can see the hole or not. That goes like that there. Screw that in there until that gets tight. Alright, then you have these. As you can see, it has a Phillips head screwdriver on it, but you don't need to use that. You can pull out on it and just simply push it in like so. This one right here, I couldn't push with my finger. And when I say push and pull, I mean you can actually pull it. When you see it moving, just pull on it. What you would do is make sure the tabs are all flared in. Just press it in. That's it.